A young child has passed away from the novel coronavirus in Jamaica, taking the country's death toll from the disease to 7.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away to you.
The fight against COVID-19 is not one that the government can win on its own. We need you to do your part. Stay home, stay safe.
Welcome back, viewers. If this is your first time to Unstoppable TV and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will continue to be informed. The Health Minister, Mr. Christopher Tufton, says it is with a heavy heart that he had to announce to the nation the passing of a 4-year-old child who tested positive for COVID-19 in Jamaica and recently passed away at the Cornwall Regional Hospital. The passing of the child sent shockwaves throughout the country because disease experts were claiming that the virus appeared to be sparing children. The Health Minister, Mr. Christopher Tufton, is imploring Jamaicans to please not be discriminating against persons infected with the contagious disease. Now, people, as far as we can see, the Jamaican politicians are trying their best to contain this virus. Now, persons have spoken out from multiple videos that we've seen come about on social media where persons seem to be going against what the politicians are doing. Now, the latest video is this one.
Yeah. You know, I have something to say. The Jamaican people, and the one and Holness. See me? One like that real Prime Minister. I'm a real Prime Minister. Bro God, Lord. Bro devil. You hear me I say? 2019, 1,326 people get killed by murder. Gunman. Murder them. See, over 300 and almost 400 people dead 2020. And cloud well, so in a lot down the country. Bro God, and the worst Prime Minister Jamaica ever see. Remember me tell you, worse. You have a puppet Prime Minister. You lock down the country and the poor people them suffer. And you bring more poverty upon poverty. You lock down people for coronavirus. And nobody now dead from Jamaica for no coronavirus. Don't you lock down that place for corona. And 300 people dead this year by gunman. When you lock down Jamaica. Alright, no Jamaica lock down, why you not go for them? I don't go for the gunman them. And you like that. You're the worst Prime Minister. When you turn Prime Minister, crime turn up. You know see that? And you lock down the dance at 12 o'clock. No one the people in party. You tell people about people for going in the house. So what? The more they have a month, what? Wednesday and one of the day. Go out and go shopping. So all them time when them go out on the road, them can't catch corona. When them go out in the daytime for mingle, them can't catch corona. If you care about them tenements where them live. You tell man about 3 o'clock thing for shut down. For what? After America not shut down, New York City not shut down. And over, them say over much 20,000 them in New York and New York not shut down. So you lot of people them for more sufferation and sufferation. When people them go out the road, go try to survive and eat them food. People can't hardly survive. You think everybody living in a air conditioned room like you, and your pussy will out, or we want you Holness, but bro God. You're a broad devil. I worst Prime Minister. Remember me tell you I'm puppet. You know see me? Stop treat the poor people. I mean the people lock up on some little people and go assault if I go swim. About 3 or 4 or 5 man and go assault if I lock up them on a charge and I won't depend. How can I charge thing? How can I charge that? How can I new law them there? How can I new charge them there? One look at you with a phone, and I pull up a phone and I say, Ray, I'm outside. You out here, you outside. We're not going. And I run and go film like. You see me with a gun. A phone the youth put up, you see me with a gun. I say a phone him hold up and I run and go film and I come style the youth but him run under bed and I come go like and I put him on news and I go, him run under bed like you see me with a gun. Go look for gunman and them for go for. And a lot of people live and go survive. They can barely survive right now. And you are come take away everything from them. I want to think everybody can go in the AC room like you eat that Andrew Holness. Jamaican people stop with them fooling, no corona bullshit. Andrew Holness, how you now wear a mask? You now the president of the United States now wear a mask. Or your colleagues around you now wearing a mask. You not talk about 6 feet against from people. Or you not stay far from your colleague them. From your color them, or you not stay far from them. Or you need a mask. So you can't eat good on your food well put down. Want the poor people them can't survive. We have to go out there and live day to day. We have to go out there and look something today for eat for today. Want to them people there. Want to tenement people them live in a Jamaica at I tell people going from 3 o'clock. Go do one of the hot house. I have 40 people living in a cloth yard. After mingle and I have push past the next man. A tenement I come from, a trench town I come from. Some clothing. A Rima I come from. 3rd Street building them flat yet. Born right there, so. You hear that? So I know get a life. I know people are live. So you come people for you there. And I come lock down people, and I come lock down people, and I come, and you're a puppet. If America say red, Corona done now, America open up, you open up Jamaica back down. Because he's a puppet. You're not a real prime minister. The best prime minister Jamaica ever have a like Michael Manley. Remember that. Real prime minister that. I mean, I'm not politician. A real man will come from. Labour right in the neighborhood. Labour that constituency. See me? I'm live a real man, perennial charge around that. You hear that? You see me? And that's from a barn. Some don't know where you are. Either. I told Jamaican people them not no sense and no want look in between. Not Corona, scare tactics. Because they want to take on the liberty. A scare tactics because they want to take a people liberty and inject everybody like Negro. We don't know where them having it. Yeah, like no Jamaican, I don't see nobody from Corona. People don't see that. Stop act like fool, nobody know that. Gunman Tom kill off probably about 100 more hours before Corona kill 5. Before Corona kill 5 hours, gunman will kill off 100 more hours before Clad Corona kill anybody down at Jamaica. Stop like a fool. And I wear mask and I want to pan like on either Corona. I find me there now we not mask and I talk about rare. Them I tell people. I trick them at and the one say and a real prime minister if you go to go. That me I try to tell people. And people if I open up on there they say I want to know. Yo, I'm out of here. No, not more to say. I come go on like you take people. Lad fool, Mr. Idiot, lad, Andrew Holness. When I go for your youth, you see me that phone and hold up. How you look? You look stripe. I look people say, hey, I go on something. You're not going on nothing. And you can't cut the crime of Jamaica. You know, people in America want to left and other country, across the globe want to come back to Jamaica because of the crime that way. And if you cut the crime, enough people that come back here in Jamaica that bigger and better and better, and that people are opening up more business. And you don't see that. That come lockdown country.
Well, alright then, Rasta say in peace. What uno have to say about what Rasta say? Boy, one thing me can say, Rasta cuss whole heap. Me cut out as much as me could have cut out. But upon what Rasta either say still, what uno say? Rasta say, Andrew, now we're in a mask. In which, honestly, still, me can say I've seen Andrew Holness in a mask. Right? Rasta say Andrew Holness is just a puppet. What uno say about that? Me nah have nothing to say about that part there, right? More hear from Uno down in the comments, right? At the end of the day, Rasta opinion is Rasta opinion. We can't take that from him, just like everybody else's opinion is there. But more want to hear full opinion. What do you think about the things that the PM is doing? What do you think about the things that the Jamaican government is doing, as a matter of fact, to contain this virus? And I also want to hear your personal opinion about this virus. Do you think it is real? Do you think it is not real? Do you think it is, I mean, not even going to touch what cause it and what not cause it, because we all heard the conspiracy theories and all of that, right? But Rasta come out hard and go hard against the PM. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. And as I said in at the beginning of the video, if this is your first time to this channel and you have not hit the subscribe button, why are we at pan? Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you'll be informed. Watch on, man. This is Unstoppable and I'm out.
My fellow Jamaicans, let us be smart about how we deal with COVID-19. Regulations have been put in place for our own protection. Do your part. Stay home and stay safe.
To all our young kings and queens, your schools are waiting to welcome you back, but they cannot open their doors unless we beat this coronavirus, COVID-19. Do your part in the fight. Stay home. Stay safe.
We Jamaicans love our freedom, but with COVID-19, a lot has changed. We can get through this if we all play our part. Please, stay home. Stay safe.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.